how to create a poll in YouTube at the community area. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do it, using your computer and also using your mobile phone. So I'm using an Android, and it should be similar across Android or iPhone. Before I proceed, first of all, you need to reach at least 500 subscribers before you can use the community tab. So community tab is a good place to interact with your audience, and sometimes even your poll be shared outside so that people can be aware of your channel. So I think this is a great tool to use. Another thing is, if your channel audience is set for made for kids, that as well, you are not allowed to have community tab. Anything with for kids, yeah, they don't allow additional interaction going on. So no, because even if you put made for kids, the comment section is being disabled. If you want to read the documentation, you can see the link in the description below, where you can just go and read it from YouTube itself. But if you want to follow step by step, follow me in this video. Okay, now let's jump into showing you how you can create it easily. So how are you gonna do it? Log into your YouTube account. You see at the top right, there's a plus icon there. Just click on it and click on create post. Click on create post, you will jump into here. This is my channel. You can see there's home, video, shorts, playlist, community, and that is where you can create your post. So there's a few ways. I'm talking about poll today. So you can do image poll or text poll. I want text poll, ask my community, just an example, and then you click post. Alright, so if there's a scheduled post, there's post as well. Let's just post this. I want to know as well. Right? Some of my videos on new page experience is getting a lot of view. I also want to know how people feel about it. I personally do not like it. Post. Then you can see. So you wait for people to come in, then you can see the results. You can even check visibility, whether it is public or not. You can delete, etc. All is here. So that's one way you can do it. Another way you can find this is to go to YouTube Studio. Then you go to content. Yeah, that's where all the videos are. Go to posts, and you can see the post is here. So this is a place where you can manage all your posts, right? Same place, if you want to create, just have to go create post. So that's how easily you can create a post for your community inside computer. Let's jump into a phone. At phone, you can see a lot of posts being posted there. It's interesting. Yeah, let me show you how you can do it in the phone. It's very easy. Let's go. Alright, now I'm at the phone. So log into your YouTube account. So when you start scrolling your YouTube, you can see, you know, these are other people's community posts or poll appearing. I think the polls appear because there's a lot of people engaging with it. And even though some of them I did not follow like this, you see I'm not subscribed to them, but I can still see their polls. So for polls, you can do it in images as well. So as I showed just now in the computer, so just take time to explore. It's actually quite fun. So now you are at your mobile phone. How to create it here? It's very simple. You see the plus icon at the bottom, at the middle. Just click on it, and then you can see you can create short, upload video, go live, or create a post. So just click on create a post. You can actually mention other people's channel as well. So this is interesting. So you can share 5 images with your viewers. So you can see here, let me just go very quickly. So you can see here at the bottom, there's this one with a bar graph, another one with the image. So when you click on the bar, it shows poll. So you can put image, option 1, option 2, alright? Or this card. Let's try again. Or you can do like what I did just now, do it on text. And then once you're done, all you have to do is just click and create. So I'm not creating right now because I just created one. Okay. And now where do you find your posts at your mobile? So it is similar as what you do in the computer. You go to your channel and you scroll all the way. You can see community, just click on it. And then you can see the things that's scheduled here. You can even post directly here as well. So yeah, just play around with this. I think this is fun. I've seen it appearing really a lot in my mobile phone. And yeah, it seems interesting. So let's just do it. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can create polls in YouTube at the community tab. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.